Hi everyone. In previous class, we have discussed about how to convert decimal to binary numbers. I have taken 2 to 3 examples also. Now in this class, we are going to discuss about how to convert decimal fraction to binary numbers. How to convert decimal fraction to binary numbers. Again, we are having the 3 steps here for conversion of decimal fraction number to binary. We have to follow 3 steps. In that, first is again multiply the decimal fraction by 2. Multiply the decimal fraction by 2 and note the carry and the product. Note the carry and the product. Conversion of decimal to binary. What we did? We divide the decimal number by 2. For fraction, we have to multiply the decimal fraction by 2. This is the difference. This is the difference. In decimal number, we are going to do divide by 2. In decimal fraction, we are going to do multiply by 2. Okay? So first step is that multiply the decimal fraction by 2 and note down the carry and the product. Note down the carry and the product. Here, we are going to note down carry and the product. In decimal to binary, what will write? Remainder and quotient. Here we are going to write carry and product. Until your quotient becomes 0, the process will be continued in decimal to binary. In decimal fraction to binary, repeat the step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. You have to continue your steps until your fractional product becomes 0. Second step is that you have to continue step number 1 until your fractional product becomes 0. When fractional product becomes 0, the process will be get completed. That's the last step. Then after that, step 3. The first carry will be the MSB and the last carry will be the LSB. First will be the MSB, last will be the LSB. Okay. This is reverse order. In decimal to binary, first will be the LSB, last will be the MSB. Here not like that. Here, first will be the MSB, last will be the LSB. Then again, the equivalent binary fraction is then written from MSB to LSB. We have to write this fraction by MSB to LSB. We have to write in the form of MSB to LSB. Understood? So, note this decimal fraction to binary conversion. Now, previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ how to convert decimal to binary ನೋಡಿವೆ. Decimal to binary ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ decimal fraction number ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ binary ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So the first step ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ multiply the decimal fraction by 2. fraction number ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ fraction number ಗೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So carry ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to note down carry and product. Step 2 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ repeat the step 1 until your fractional product becomes 0. ನಿಮ್ಮ fractional product ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅವನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Then the first carry will be MSB and last carry will be the LSB. This is reverse order. By decimal to binary ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ LSB ಆಮೇಲೆ MSB ಇತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ in decimal number system first remainder will be the LSB and last remainder will be the MSB. But here it is the reverse. Here the first carry will be the MSB and the last carry will be the LSB. First carry MSB ಬರುತ್ತೆ, last carry LSB ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So then we have to write binary fraction written from MSB to LSB. MSB to LSB ಗೆ ನಾವು fraction numbers ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು binary number. ठीक है. So you have to follow these 3 steps to solve decimal fraction to binary. Decimal fraction ನ binary convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ 3 steps ಅನ್ನು follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to follow these 3 steps to convert from decimal fraction to binary number system. Okay. So consider one example. This is one example. Consider the decimal fraction 0.0 0.3125 base 10 converted into binary number system. So first you have to identify which is the decimal number or not. Yes, it is decimal number. Because it will be 3125. We are having the numbers 3125, which is a decimal number system. Which is a decimal number system? 0 to 9. The digits from 0 to 9 we call it a decimal number system. Yes, these all numbers belongs to 0 to 9 only. So this is what decimal fraction number. We have to convert this decimal fraction to binary number system. We have to convert this decimal fraction to binary number system. For that, we have to follow these 3 steps. We have to follow these 3 steps. So see, in this, what we have to do? First, multiply the decimal fraction by 2. This number you have to make them multiply by 2. Then after that, note the carry and product. Whatever you get the note and carry, that you have to write. Note down carry and the product. Then step 2. Repeat the step 1 until fraction product becomes 0. Until your fraction product becomes 0, the step 1 will process get continued. When your product becomes 0, stop there. Note, you know the solution ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. So solution ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ multiply the decimal fraction by 2. decimal fraction ಏನಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 2 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನೋಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 0. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ठीक है. So what we will do first, multiply this by 2 by fraction number. So take a one table. So first I'll write here first is multiply by 2. Then second is what? Note the carry. So I'll write the carry. And next is the product. For solution, I will make the one table. Okay. I have taken here one table. So first is multiply by 2. Then note the carry and product. Now table to okay. Table level to pass it. First is fraction number and multiply by 2 by 2. Here multiply by 2 there. So this part multiply by 2 by 2. Next. Note the carry and product. Carry ಮತ್ತು carry ಬರೆಯೋಣ, product ಮತ್ತು product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Okay. So write here carry and you write here product. So first is 0.3125. 0.3125 into 2. So starting in process 0.3125 into 2 means how much you will get. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ. ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 0.625. This is what how much you get 0.625. Okay, you calculate multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ 0.625 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. See, this is our multiply by 2 fraction number 3.25 into 2. Okay, so how much you will get 0.625. So in this 0 is called as the carry and this 625 is called as the product. This 0 is called as the carry and 0.625 is called as the product. So step 2 what you tell? Sorry, step 1 note the carry and the product. Note the carry and the product. So how much is carry now? 0. Carry is 0. Then how much is the product? 0.625. So when you use the 0.625 by default becomes 0. By default it becomes 0. Note ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 0.625 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ 0.625 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. even you can use the mobile calculators. You 0.625 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂಕೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, this 0 is a wide number. Then this is one step over. Step 2. Repeat the step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. So what is fractional product? 0.25. Same word we can write here. 0.2625 into 2. So again I am doing the calculation here. 0.625 into 2. How much you will get? Almost 1.25. Okay, you will get this much 1.25. You can make the calculation. You will get using calculator. You can make it. You will get 1.25. So in this one is called as a carry, and this 25 is called as the product. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 0.625 2 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1.25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1.25. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, 0.25 ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ a carry and 0.25 is a product. So when you use 0.25, 0 is a wide number. Wide number is 0. Okay. Step 4. Next, what it tells? Repeat the step 1 until fraction product becomes 0. Until this product becomes 0, the process will be get continued. If 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ process ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. We have to continue this step until this one becomes a 0. If 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ process ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So again I will take here 0.25 into 2. So I will write it again. 0.25 into 2. And you use 0.5 into 2. How much will you get? Almost 0.5. You will get almost 0.5. So again, this one is called as a carry, and this 5 is called as the product. ನೋಡಿ 0.25 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0.5 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 0 ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ and 0.5 is the product. And take a 0.5, 0 is the binary. Then again you have to repeat, because until it becomes 0, the process will be get continued. If 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ the process continue ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So write 0.5 into 2. 0.5 into 2. So again how much will you get? 1.0. You will get about 1.0. And you will get 1.0. This one is called as a carry, and this is called as a product. So the product became 0. So note down, carry is 1, product is 0. And your product becomes 0. Repeat the step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. When this becomes 0, this statement will be get closed. This statement will be get closed. Means your problem is solved. Okay. In that case, over. This much is over. Now see. The first carry will be the LSB and the last carry is the LSB. First carry is first carry. This is called as the MSB. First carry will be the MSB. And the last carry is the LSB. So this is LSB. Then the equivalent binary fraction is then written from MSB to LSB. Means you have to write this binary equivalent from MSB to LSB means in this form. We have to write in this form. First you have to take MSB and last LSB. So I will write here 0.3125 base 10 is equivalent to this binary fraction from MSB to LSB. So MSB is how much? 0. I will write here 0 first. Next 1. Next 0. Then again 1. Base of 2. So this is about what conversion of decimal fraction to binary number system. This is conversion of decimal fraction to binary number system. Okay. So this is one simple example. This is one simple example how to convert to a decimal fraction to binary number system. Okay. Is there any doubt in this? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me through message or call. This is a simple method. First, you have to take these 3 steps. Using these 3 steps, you can solve any exam. You can solve any exam. Okay. So whatever I have written today, you have to note down in your notebook. Assign for your notes book. So make the heading decimal fraction to binary and write these 3 steps and one example. Okay, this is for your notes. And one I will give you for homework. I want to give you one example for your homework. So just I will make a change. Otherwise I will write here only homework. Homework. I will give you a question here. You have to solve in your home. If you are having any doubts, you can message or call me. So homework is that convert. I'll give one number, that is 8125 decimal number to binary number system. See, I have given one number 0.8125. This is a decimal number system. This decimal number system you have to convert it into binary number system. You have to convert it into binary number system. So take same table, multiply by 2, carry and product. Take it, go through it, follow the steps until this product becomes 0. When product becomes 0, stop it. First will be the MSB, last will be the LSB. Just note down it. And while solving this one, if you have any doubts, you can message me. One more thing I want to clear here. In some examples, the product will not become 0. In some examples, the product will not become 0. In that case, what to do? If you take the 100 steps, then also it will not become 0. Then what to do? And your product repeats, you can stop it. When this product repeats, stop it. For example, here's a 0.65. Again 0.65 came here. In that time, you can stop it. Because in some cases, it will not become 0. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.62 ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 0.62 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್. Got it? So this is about what? Binary decimal fraction to binary. Make it in home. One simple example. If you are having any doubts, ask me through message or call. Tomorrow I will take one example that example contains decimal number as well as fraction number to convert into binary. A number that is having decimal with fraction converted to binary number system. Then again binary is having binary numbers with its binary fraction. Tomorrow I will explain that example. Okay, thank you.